We thought it was empty, and that mistake made it snap. Standard weekend routine. My friends, Nogaro Blue on one side, a client's Audi S4 on the other. The goal was to ditch some dead weight and old gas tank in the trunk. No big deal, or so I thought. Zero gas. That's what the gauge told me. And when you see empty, you don't expect a bomb waiting to go off. It was the ultimate trap. I cracked it open just a hair. A tiny hiss started, so I stopped. I figured I'd just let it bleed out slowly and play it safe. But then my friend chimed in. What are you waiting for? Just open it up, it'll hiss once and then it's over. I paused. I thought about it. He sounded right. So I took the valve and I gave it a full turn. One full turn and the valve just snapped. It didn't hiss. It screamed. A high-pressure jet of liquid gas erupted, hitting minus 30 degrees Celsius the second it touched the air. My brain just shut off. Pure instinct took over. I reached straight into that frozen jet, trying to force the valve back on. I grabbed the valve, desperate to stop the jet, but the gas was blasting straight into my glove. I felt the sting through the fabric, like 1,000 needles. Then the real nightmare started. The threads were freezing over instantly. My glove turned to plastic and the ice was literally locking me out. I couldn't feel what I was doing anymore. The pain was brutal. I felt trapped, so I made a split-second decision. I ripped the glove off. I thought if I just got rid of the frozen fabric, I'd finally have the control I needed. I reached back into the mist with my bare hands. And that's when the gas hit my skin directly. I didn't even feel cold anymore. It felt like touching white hot iron. Within seconds, the whole garden was filled with gas. And Mike? He was standing right behind me, laughing his head off. He had no idea what was actually happening. I looked at him and said, I feel dizzy. I wasn't even dizzy yet. It was just pure instinct warning me. I stood up, Mike took over, and as soon as I took my first step, everything went black. I came to, and my hand felt like it was falling off. Mike stayed. He didn't run while I just tried to breathe. Right after, the first blisters showed up. Hours later, it kept swelling. I told myself, sleep, reset, breathe. I woke up, my fingers wouldn't close. The swelling forced them apart. So I went to the hospital. The moment they saw my hand, their faces changed. They decided to drain the blisters. And even after that, new ones formed anyway. Then it turned into weeks of healing, skin peeling, raw, then finally closing. And somehow, God wasn't done with me yet. And I learned something that night. Real friends don't run.